Provide the Philippine Marine ancient and well-trained marine officers capable of meeting the needs of never expanding foreign and customized trade, and competent to serve as naval officers in times of war and natural emergencies, to give adequate background to graduates. They are responsible to fulfill the allied skills of merchant marine services. Responsibility.
Masahe ko na. Iya, okay.
Okay, nakatayo naman, nakatayo.
Kala. Next. So, kumain.
Provide the Philippine Merchant Marine Education and well-trained marine officers capable of meeting the needs of an ever-expanding foreign and competent to serve as naval officers.
Dito naman. Yan. Ito naman.
Responsible position.
Kailangan mo ko sila ko, Mariana? Kailangan mo ko.
Kung kuya kaldagin kita tapos videohan mo habang kinakaldag kita, maganda siguro na. No?
Hey. Bugatti. Baldos. Uy, Bugatti. Saan na? Bugatti. Si Bugatti, ano eh. Tawag dito? Albos. Tangpat. Aba, sumay pala kang ba? Sumay pala kang. Oo, kabisado na lang.
Magmamap lang ako sa...
Pili. Ito, masi-masi. Pili. Ba't ba kanina o sa ulo? Tapos biglang nagbago ah. Oh, masi-masi o instant justice. Ano? Pili. Tanong. Pili.
Ayaw mo, di ba?